What's up guys, welcome to LEGOLAND California Resort in Carlsbad, California. This famous LEGO theme park has more than 60 rides and attractions, designed especially for families and kids. And we are here for one of the best rides that LEGOLAND has created. And that is a brand new space-themed land called LEGO Galaxy, featuring one of the most exciting new rides in the park, the Galacticoaster. And if you missed it, we're here to explore everything that opened it in this exciting grand opening day. This was exciting, and remember how YouTube works, guys. Like the video and subscribe so you don't miss on any future adventures and the best tips about the theme park. Opening day was so much fun, full of activities. The new LEGO Galaxy area is a huge expansion celebrating LEGO space adventures from the past 5 decades. The land is designed to feel like a futuristic spaceport, where young explorers become astronauts. Inside LEGO Galaxy, you'll find a brand new roller coaster, 2 additional space-themed rides, a rocket building zone, an astronaut training playground for the kids, and space-themed restaurants and stores. It's one of the biggest investments ever made at the park, bringing attractive storytelling and technology to LEGOLAND. The main attraction in LEGO Galaxy is the Galacticoaster, the park's first new roller coaster in more than 20 years. But check this out, guys, this is the kick. Before you ride, you get to design your own spaceship, so this is not just any coaster. Using interactive screens, you can customize the nose of the spacecraft, the wings and tail, and special features and colors. And there are over 625 different combinations, so every mission can be different.
Customize my basic design and then ride it into space, okay? Work together and follow my instructions. Let's hope this signal holds.
Once your ship is ready, you can scan your wristband and see your custom spacecraft appear during the ride. Then it's time for launch. The coaster speeds through a glowing space environment at up to 40 miles per hour, making it thrilling but still family friendly. You'll fly past the LEGO planets, cosmic scenes, and all of this while you're piloting the spaceship that you designed. It's a very cool ride, but Galacticoaster isn't the only adventure in LEGO Galaxy. The line includes several other interactive experiences, like the Junior Astronaut Training Zone, a play area where younger kids can explore space-themed obstacles and climb structures designed for little astronauts. There's also Rocket Assembly Bay. Here visitors build LEGO rockets and launch them into simulated space missions. Then you have the G-Force Test Facility, a ride that lets guests experience what astronauts feel during training. The area also features a giant LEGO models inspired by classic space sets dating all the way from back to 1978, celebrating the history of LEGO space toys. And some of these figures are 25 times larger than the normal LEGO minifigures, making them perfect for photos. And if you get hungry, don't worry, because LEGO Galaxy includes several themed dining spots, such as the Nebula Noodles, Stellar Crust, and Stardust Sips and Sweets. You can also visit the Orbit Outpost shop, which sells exclusive LEGO Galaxy souvenirs and space-themed LEGO sets. It's the perfect place to pick up a LEGO spaceship after your mission. Now, with the opening of LEGO Galaxy, LEGOLAND California Resort just became even more exciting for families visiting Southern California. Because whether you want to build your own spaceship, ride a high-tech space coaster, or train like a junior astronaut, LEGO Galaxy offers a whole new world of adventures. So the next time you visit LEGOLAND California, get ready to launch into LEGO space. Mission completed. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and the first look at the brand new LEGO Galaxy and the incredible Galacticoaster at LEGOLAND California Resort. If you enjoy exploring this new ride with us, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss on our next adventure. Because next time, we might be riding the biggest roller coaster in California or exploring a brand new theme park attraction. Until then, thanks for watching and we'll see you on our next adventure. And before you guys leave, here are 2 other videos of great adventures in California and around the world.
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Josh Bros, we out.
Bye bye, brothers. See you next video.